Patty's rendition of AKA's jealousy leaves Twitter in stitches. The Queen would honestly never be the same without the entertainment powerhouse that is Petronella, and on Tuesday night, viewers couldn't help but praise her for never ceasing to surprise them. The domestic worker with a plan figured out that she could use the media attention directed at the Mabuza household to finally claim her fame. She told her boss, TGOM, about her plan to take the opportunity to finally become the celeb she was meant to be. However, Petronella's madam wasn't very welcoming of her plans and even went as far as telling her to never speak to the media, otherwise she would lose her job. Patty wasn't even touched by TGOM's pessimism. The woman was on fire, and when TGOM refused to be her hype person, she went ahead and sang AKA's song Jealousy to her. Well, her own take of the song. It was hilarious.